Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Kia Forte LX. Under the hood we have a 1.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white, looks great. Got that Kia badging right there with your projector-style headlights and your fog lights down there. Coming around the side here we do have our tires. They look great, the Ironman brand tires with our 16-inch rims. They look fantastic. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back we do have the Forte badging as well as the Kia. You can open it up just with the keys here. Looks great back here, lots and lots of room. You do also have the option to fold those seats forward just right there, and then underneath here you do have some extra storage and your inflator. Got our keys here, we got our lock there. We have two presses to unlock all the doors. That one to open up the back, and you do have your panic button there. Press that button to get the key out. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Handle here and some storage down here. Looks great in here. The two-tone seats are very nice. They're comfortable as well. You get the lean, and this one does raise it up. And then over here, we do have the controls over our in-cabin lights, as well as our eco and our traction control. And then up here, you do have the controls over your lights, so you're off, on, and daytime running lights. Then you do have your fog lights there and your high beams as well as your turning signals. Okay, let's start up here. Key in the ignition, and we are good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 48,000, not too bad at all. You got your range and your average there. You can switch that around to your trip A and B. You also can switch it back there. Now that is controlled from your steering wheel. You do have your volume up and down with the mute and the mode, your Bluetooth options. That one changes the screen in the middle, and your cruise control options right there. Got a clock just up here. Then in the center you do have your CD player with your hazard lights. Then you have your radio, so you have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM. Got your media tab there, your phone options if you have one hooked up, your seek, your scan, setup, menu, and your folder there. And then down here we do have the volume up and down with the power, your presets, your tune and browser, and then you got the power up and down, AC, where it's going to blow out of with your defrost, circulation, and your control over your temperature. Then down here we have some extra storage as well as a USB and aux cord plug-in. Gear shift is just right here with your heated seats. Let's turn those on. And then you do also have your cup holders with your parking brake, and your armrest doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there as well. And then over here we do have our glove box with our owner's manual inside of it, and some lights up top with your sunglass holder. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control over your windows, a handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here, same material as the front, very nice. Those seats do fold forward with the button in the back as well. And there's our 1.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Kia Forte LS. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.